The agenda of the video is as follows. Today, let's take a square and separate that square into 9 subsquares. The first cell has 4 distinct surfaces, the second cell has 3 distinct surfaces, the third cell has 3 distinct surfaces at the bottom. Counting the remaining cells of the square and then solving the summarized value of the same turns out to be 24. Now let's consider an rectangle with 2 rows and 3 columns as a next example. The first cell has 4 unique sides, the second cell has 3, the third cell has 3 sides. Repeat the same for remaining cells. Summarizing the computed values turns out to be 17 by the manual approach. The generic mathematical formula, which can be extended for squares and rectangles based on these two models: 1 into 4 plus r minus 1 into 3 plus 3 into cells per row minus 1 plus 2 into cells minus 1 minus r minus 1 minus cells per row minus 1. Let's take the example of this 3 cross 3 matrix with 3 rows and 3 columns. Here defined as A, B, C. The cells is the count, there is the multiplication of the rows and columns. Basically it is 9, and the cells per row C by R is equal to 3, as we have 3 cells in a particular row. So these are the parameters for A. Substituting the above values for example A in the generic mathematical formula, and we arrive at the summarized value, which is 24, which matches as that of the manual approach. Now let's consider example B with 2 rows and 3 columns. The cells count here in this example is 6, and the cells per row is 3. Substituting the above values in the generic formula, and we compute the summarized output of the distinct surfaces by the mathematical approach turns out to be 17, which matches as that of the manual output which we computed earlier. We will automate the above generic mathematical formula by using Python language. Here is the Python code which gets the number of rows and columns from the user input and computes the cells and cells per row and distinct surfaces and throws the output. Let's see the output of 3 cross 3 matrix. The distinct surface output is 24. The output of 2 cross 3 matrix is 17. Let's see the output of 1000 rows and 121 columns. The distinct surface is 2,43,121. So the main advantage of automating this problem is we can work with large sized matrices, as the last example which we saw. So thank you for your time.